Once upon a time in a bustling village, there lived a kind-hearted blacksmith named Erik. Erik was known for his exceptional craftsmanship and generosity towards all. One day, a mysterious traveler arrived, seeking a powerful weapon for a noble cause. Impressed by the traveler's determination, Erik crafted a sword of unmatched beauty and strength. The traveler revealed his quest to protect the innocent from a looming darkness. Moved by the traveler's noble cause, Erik gifted him the sword, knowing it would aid in the battle ahead.